How to set up agents reply templates in Freshdesk account. Hello everyone, in this video you'll be learning how you can set up agent reply templates in Freshdesk account. So note that this is a very straightforward process. Kindly watch to the end. The first step is to sign in into your Freshdesk account as an administrator, and then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options like dashboard, tickets, contact, companies, solution, then admin. You just go ahead and click on admin. Without clicking on admin on the admin's page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see other options like ready, team, channels, workflows, agent productivity, etc. Just go ahead and click on workflows. After clicking on workflows, on the workflows page, select email notifications. After selecting email notifications, you will be brought to the email notifications page where you would see some tabs, four tabs, such as agent notifications, requester notifications, CC notifications, and then template. Just go ahead and click on template. Then the next step is to select the agent reply template and click on the edit option next to it. So after clicking on the edit option and you're brought to the edit page, here you can now go ahead and add dynamic content to the reply editor. But first of all, you have to click on insert placeholder. And after clicking on insert placeholder, you can now make use of this particular box to select help desk ticket, select where, click to insert placeholder in the content, which will dynamically get resolved into the appropriate data. So select the placeholder that you want. Once you're done, come over here and then type out your message directly. And then once you've done that, click on save, and then automatically this template would be set up as an agent reply in your Freshdesk account. The save option is located by the right side of the screen underneath the write up. So that is it. This is how you can go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.